Alright, well, I'm working on a Millermatic 250 CVDC welding power source wire feeder, and that's the board serial number for the board. I took it out and looked at everything. So I checked everything I could check, because the problem is this 24 volt DC variable speed motor was not running. And so, to make sure that I didn't have a bad transformer tap, a bad field on it, what I did is I checked the voltage on the output right there, that one with the red lead there. And what I did was I put my voltmeter across it and I adjusted the voltage on here to see if it would go all the way to 32 volts. And it did. So it went down to 10. I think 10 is the lowest. Went 10 to 32, so that told me it was good for that part. I mean, it had output, and I had 24 volts on the little relay for the air, the CO2 relay. Okay, the shielding gas. The 110 volt tap that comes off the transformer. I think this is it right here. The 110 volts split off of the, it's number 49. Anyway, I checked the voltage on here and it was there. It went where it was supposed to go, but this relay wasn't clicking, and so I thought there was something wrong with it. Maybe that relay doesn't make a clicking sound. I don't know. But I took the board off and I checked my voltages coming out and to the voltage that were in series for this resettable fuse here. I checked everything for the voltage for that 12 to 24 volt variable speed for this motor. Wasn't getting it. And when I was checking out the original resettable fuse here, this button seemed like it was kind of weak. So I swapped it out with another one, which is not the correct amperages. This is a 2 amp. I put a 10 amp, but the voltage is correct. Alright, I swapped this guy out, and this thing works. So I don't know if I jostled a wire. I'm not sure what the deal is, but I wasn't getting voltage to it. So I'm not sure what the problem is. If somebody has an idea about why this thing just started working by itself only when I replaced this, even though I wasn't getting voltage to it, maybe the circuit senses the ground through the motor. And that may be what the deal is, because it doesn't have a lot of protection on that circuit. So if it can see through it, then maybe that's the case. I don't know. So if someone could shed some light, that'd be very much appreciated. Meanwhile, got my welder back online. I am going to start putting down some bead. Have a good day, man.